Scan code processing steps. Click to process is the operation interface. Clicking the button to the right of the data directory will pop up a dialog box for browsing files. Find the folder where the scanning code processing information is placed. Select this folder. Choose File Type. The split data is in BAN file format. Select BAN for the type or select Auto. Use the mouse to click the Scan Code Processing input box and scan the code with the Scan Code gun. The machine will automatically locate. After placing the board, click Start or Step on the pedal to automatically process.